Today in this video I want to show how to manage instances in AWS. So how to manage instances in AWS. We have the tasks to manage the instances in AWS. Task 1, that is enable and disable termination protection. So let's see how to enable and how to disable terminal protection to the instance. Open browser. Then type aws.amazon.com. Then select sign into the console. Here we need to type our email address which we have given during AWS account creation, and give the password here and click on sign in using our secure server. This is my AWS dashboard. In this dashboard, select services and select EC2. And select instances. Yeah, this is my Windows instance which is up and running. So I want to enable termination protection to this instance. So how to do that? Just right click on instances, instance settings, go to instance settings, change termination protection. Just select change termination protection, click on yes, enable. So let's check whether it is working or not, the termination protection. Right click on instances and then go to instance state and terminate. Select terminate. So it is disabled. It means we cannot terminate the instance. So we have protected. Okay. So how to disable it? Right click on the instance, go to instance settings, change termination protection, and just yes, disable it. Click on yes, disable. Now we can terminate the instances. Click on terminate. See, this is enabled. Click on yes, terminate. It is terminated. So in this way we can disable and we can enable termination protection. The second one is task 2. It is task 2 means stop the instances, stop the instance and terminate the instance. So how to stop the instance and how to terminate the instance? What changes will happen when you stop the instance. So let's see. So this is my instance, Windows instance. This instance is having public IP, that is 13.59.213.190. So this instance is having public IP 13.59.213.130. Just we will note it here. So this is my public IP which the instance is having. So I am just stopping this instance. Just right click on the instance, go to instance state, select stop. It will give you a notification. Just click on yes, stop. Yeah, it is stopped. We are not able to see public IP here right now. I'm just starting this instance. Just right click on the instance, right click, instance state, and click on start. Yes. Yeah, it's running. See, what is the IPv4 public IP right now? This is 13.58.24.60. But earlier we had public IP, that is 13.59.213.190. When I stop and restart, when I stop and start the instance, the IP has got changed. This is the earlier IP, this is the present IP. So when you stop and start the instance, the public IP will automatically change. So this is how we actually basically stop the instance and start the instance. So how to terminate the instance? Just right click on the instance, go to instance state and click terminate, and just select yes, terminate. So it is terminated. The next task is task 3, change the instance type. So how to change instance type? So this is my instance. To change the instance type, right click on instance, go to instance state. First we have to stop the instance. Yes, click on yes, stop. It is stopping. So it is stopped. So after After this, right click on the instance, go to instance settings, select change instance type, click on change instance type. It is instance type is T2 micro. I am changing it to M4 large. Earlier it is present, it is in T2 micro. I am changing it to M4 large. Just select apply. See, it is came to M4 large. I am changing it to change instance type T2 micro it is. So this is the how we change the instance type. Okay, this is how we change the instance type. Task 4, that is change the instance name. So how to change instance name actually? Let's see. To change the instance name, just right click on the instance, go to instance settings and go to edit and add or edit tags. So we have to, so it is named as web server 2. I am changing it to web server 3. Just click on save. It will automatically change. See, it has been changed to web server 3. So this is how we actually basically manage instances in AWS. That is enable, disable, termination protection, stop the instances, and stop or terminate the instances, change the instance type, and change the instance name. Yeah.